Shoring is essentially the process of supporting a building or structure, especially during repairs or modifications. The term shore up comes from the idea of using props, often timber or steel, to reinforce a structure. Steel pier systems. These include push piers, helical piers, and helical tiebacks. These systems are designed to offer robust, long-term support. Steel piers are made from galvanized steel, which helps resist rust and corrosion. They are designed to support significant loads, up to 74,000 pounds each. And they're typically driven into the ground to a depth between 25 and 30 feet. The system consists of three main components: the remedial bracket, a starter, and extensions. These piers anchor into bedrock or competent load-bearing soil, creating a stable foundation for the structure above.